Hi friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today again I want to discuss with you the combination of these three indicators with the movement of the price action of Bitcoin on the daily chart, and we will also see the RSI movement with the movement of the price action on the short-term hourly chart as well. And I would like to recall this very strong resistance block of $9,000 up to $9,500 and the psychological resistance level of the $10,000. And we will also watch these different channels that are formed on the daily chart and on the weekly chart as well. And the strong bearish signals appeared on the short-term 4-hour chart. And we will also watch the possible bull flags formation on the daily chart as well. And at the end of this video, I would like to recall this very big bullish garlet pattern move on the monthly chart that can lead the price action of Bitcoin to turn a very strong bullish on the long term. So let's start the analysis and move to the live chart, and this is the daily chart. As in earlier in my previous videos, I've discussed with you that the Bitcoin is following a specific pattern with the combination of these three signals, the MACD indicator and this Heikin-Ashi Verwood indicator, the Verwood Heikin-Ashi long-term candlestick oscillator that works with the Heikin-Ashi candlestick setup, and with this stochastic RSI. And we can observe that since October 2019, the price action is following this specific pattern, that whenever this Heikin-Ashi candlestick oscillator turns on or turns green, so it is giving the indication that the price action is in uptrend. So whenever it turns on or turns in green color, then we can see that first the MACD indicator gives the sell signal, then buy, and then sell signal. And on the second sell signal, the price action turns bearish. And with this sell signal, the stochastic also gives us the stochastic bear cross. That is also kind of a sell signal. And after that, the price action drops well. And we can also observe this same move here from December up to Feb 2020, that when it was in green color, this oscillator was in green color, first we received a sell signal by the MACD, then buy signal, and on the second sell signal, we again received a stochastic bear cross. And again, we have witnessed a very strong bearish rally by the Bitcoin in the month of March. And now it is again turned in green color, the oscillator. And after that, we have received the sell signal by the MACD indicator, then buying signal, and we have finally received the sell signal. And we also received a stochastic bear cross. But this time, after a small drop, the price action is moving up again. So, but if we see the previous move of the Bitcoin here, previously in the month of Feb 2020, then we can see that when we received the last sell signal, we also received such bear trap that we are receiving at this time. For example, at this time, we can see that this MACD is turning bullish again. It was strong bearish, and now it is weak bearish at this time. So it is turning bullish. It is showing that it is turning bullish. And the same move we have witnessed here in the month of Feb 2020. And we can see that after turning strong bearish for 1, 2, and 3 candlesticks, the MACD indicator turned weak bearish from strong bearish, and it was showing that it is turning bullish. And we also received a stochastic bull cross for some time. And at this time, we have also received a stochastic bull cross with this weak bearish signal. So it can be a kind of bear trap like it was appeared here. So many people would be thinking at that time that the Bitcoin is turning bullish and the MACD is going to give buy signals on this daily chart. But if anyone had bought it here, then definitely he would be stuck in a bear trap at that time, because after that we have witnessed a significant drop in the month of March. And same kind of signals appeared here, that after receiving the second sell signal, the MACD is turning again bullish. It is giving the weak bearish signals, and the stochastic has also given us the buying signal or the bull cross like it had given here back in the month of Feb 2020. So it can be a kind of bear trap, and if we watch it on the short-term hourly chart, then we can see that the RSI is continuously moving down. Here we have a little bit upward move by the price action, and after that we have a little bit drop. But if we see the continuation of the downward move of the RSI, and we just compare this move with this move from here up to this level especially, then we can see that RSI is moving in the opposite direction, and it is considered as a bearish signal. Whenever the price action is moving down and the price action is moving up, it is considered as a bearish signal. Therefore, we have witnessed a drop here at this time. And now the price action is moving almost sideways, but the RSI is still moving downwards. Therefore, we can expect another drop like we have witnessed here. Let me to show you from the past as well. Like for example, we can witness or we can observe it here that the price action was moving sideways and the RSI was still moving downwards from here up to this level, and you can see the RSI was bearish. So the RSI was giving clear signal whether the candlesticks are moving sideways. It doesn't matter if the RSI is moving down, then we can expect a downward move. And here we can see that on this hourly chart, we had a downward move from $9,600 up to almost $8,100. So there are so many examples in the past history I can show you, but these two examples are sufficient. And now let's move to the next chart, and this is also daily chart, and we have already discussed in my previous videos as well that this is the most strongest resistance block and the support block as well for the price action of the Bitcoin since January 2018, from $9,000 up to $9,500. For example, here we can see that it has worked as resistance. Here it was working as resistance. Here it was working as here it was working as support, and now here in May 2018 it was working as resistance. And here it has worked as resistance, here it was working as support, and here it has worked as resistance, here it was working as resistance, but after breaking out this resistance level, the price action was not able to retest this resistance successfully like here we have witnessed recently. Then we have the most strongest resistance, psychological resistance level of $10,000. But in my point of view, this resistance block of $9,000 up to $9,500 is more important. If we see in the past history that then the price action has been testing this level as a resistance, as support, and support more than $10,000 to as a resistance, as support. For example, if we see here, it has retested this level. If we see here, it has retested this level. If we see here, it has used this level as a resistance level. Here it has used this level as a resistance level, even though the spike was closer to the $10,000, but originally it has used this level 9,500 to 9,000 to 9,500 as a resistance level, and here it has used this level, and here we can see that the price action has used this level rather to use the $10,000 as a support. And here we can see that even though the price line was reached up to $10,000, but technically it was retesting or using this level as a resistance, cause there was no single candlestick that was closed above this level, only a spike reached up to $10,000. And here we can see that once the price action crossed up this level, then the price action retested this level rather to retest the $10,000. Therefore, we can see that it was topped here, moved up, and again dropped down. And at this time, the price action, even though the price action has reached up to $10,000 in the previous candlesticks, but technically it is using this level as a resistance. That is only spike that is reached up to $10,000. Once the candlesticks will be crossed up this level of $9,500 and the candlesticks will be starting closing above this level, then we can expect that the price action will break out this next resistance level, that is the strongest resistance, psychological resistance of $10,000. And in my point of view, if the price action will be successfully able to break out this resistance level, then it will be easy for the price line to cross up the $10,000 resistance level. Now next, we have this up channel formation, the price action has formed an up channel like it had formed back in December to Feb 2020, from December 2019 up to Feb 2020, and now after March, the price action is moving in up channel again, and now we were expecting that the price action here, I was expecting in my previous video that the price action will retest the previous support of the channel, and now we can see that the price action reached very close to the support of the channel but did not hit at the support. And the basic reason was this 25 simple moving average. This blue one is the 25 simple moving average. This red one is the 100, black one is the 200, and this green one is the 50 simple moving average. And after having bounced from this 25 simple moving average, the price action again moved up, but this time the price action is not able to reach even up to the support, up to the resistance of this channel, and it is likely to drop down again. But if we see the simple moving averages on this daily chart, then the position of the simple moving averages is very good. Like for example, in my previous video, I told you that this simple moving average, 50 simple moving average, is moving up to cross up the 100 and 200 simple moving averages to form a golden cross with them. Like this 25 simple moving average has formed a golden cross, and we have witnessed a very strong bullish rally. Then this golden cross between the 50 and 100, and especially the 50 and 200, because this golden cross between the 50 and 200 is considered as a very good and strong buying signal among the traders community, then it can produce a very good bullish rally that can lead the price action to break out this resistance of an up channel. So we can expect a breakout unless this 50 simple moving average will not drop down or it will not move down. And if we see on the weekly chart, then we can see that the price action has formed a down channel on this weekly long-term chart, and so far the price action is not able to break out the resistance of this channel since June 2019, when the price action reached more than $13,000 back in June 2019. And at this time, we were expecting that the price action will break out this resistance of the channel, because this time the position of the price action is very strong, because we have a strong bullish bounce. The price action has bounced from this 200 simple moving average on the weekly chart, and it has crossed up the 100 simple moving average, then it has crossed up the 25 simple moving average, and now it has the resistance of 50 simple moving average, and it is also struggling at the resistance of this down channel. And I have also placed the volume profile on the complete price action moving within this channel. Then we can see that we have a trader's interest up to almost $6,800. Below that level, the trader's interest is very low. Therefore, we can expect, if the price action will be dropped down here, for example, within this channel, then we can expect that it will be moved up again. In a very worst condition, it can move up again from $6,800. Even though at this time, I'm not expecting a strong drop up to $6,800. First, if the price action will be dropped down, then first it will retest the support of this channel that is at $8,500. And after that, if this channel support will be broken down, then the price action may retest this support of the 25 simple moving average that is at $7,800. And in case if the price action will break down this support, then it can retest the 100 simple moving average support that is at $7,100. Then in case of breaking down this support, it can retest the 200 simple moving average support, the most strongest support ever in the history of the Bitcoin that is never broken down. I have shown you in my so many previous videos that this support is never broken down since it is appeared in the history of the Bitcoin. So it is at this time is at $5,700. And after that, it can have another very strong bounce. But at this time, first we can expect, if the price action will be dropped and it will be a true bear trap that is appeared at here, then the price action may retest in the $8,500 support of this channel. Now, if we switch to the small time period chart on the 4-hour chart, then we can see that there is a clear formation of bearish bad pattern. This is the initial leg, and after that we have the retracement up to between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci level. This is the first confirmation for the bearish bad pattern, and after that we have retracement almost up between 0.382 to 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci level, and we can ignore some extra spike here, and after that the final leg is retraced between 0.786 to 0.886 Fibonacci level, and we can ignore these small little bit extra spikes here. And therefore, after the formation of this bearish bad pattern, we have already witnessed a small drop, but we can also witness another drop because this formation is very clear, and most of the time, more than 70 to 80%, the harmonic patterns with these currencies, with the fiat and the cryptocurrencies, work very well. Now, if we move back to the daily chart again, then we can expect another bull flag formation if it will be not a bear trap and it will be not a true valid bad pattern, even though the formation of bad pattern is valid. But in case of failure of this pattern, we can expect another bull flag formation on the daily chart, because this is the first, second, and third bull flag. In my previous video, I was considered this bull flag from here up to this level. But as I told you, if we will have big number of candlesticks will be consolidated at this level, then I will take this bull flag from here up to this level, and I will catch these candlesticks within that flag. So in case we will have a bullish divergence from here, then we can expect another bull flag that can lead the price action to break out this channel resistance that has been formed on the daily chart. And finally, I would like to show you or recall this very big bullish garlic pattern that has been formed on the monthly chart. And you can see that since this bad pattern, this garlic pattern has appeared, it has produced up to 85% profit or gains. I'm just playing this idea. Then you can see that I predicted as per Fibonacci sequence, it should be triggered here. The bullish divergence should be triggered here from here, and it should reach or enter in this level, that is 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. And so far it has retraced more than 0.50 Fibonacci projection. So at this time, the price action is moving within this sell zone, but I'm expecting that it will produce more green candlesticks on the long term. On the short term and on the mid term as well, I'm expecting a drop, or especially on the short term. But on the long term, I'm bullish because this bullish garlic pattern has appeared, and it can produce a very big bullish rally. And once the candlestick will be able to cross up this level, that is the 0.786 Fibonacci level, projection level, almost at $12,000. After that, we can expect a very, very powerful bullish rally that can be more powerful bullish rally than the previous one. So this was the update so far by the price action of Bitcoin. If I'll have more updates, I will definitely share with you. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, guys. And if you like the video, then do hit the like and do share my videos, and do share your comments with me as well. Take care. Goodbye.